Hi viewers, welcome back again on Toby's official YouTube channel. It's me Mr. Abdullah and I gonna explain you over S65 Pro to S65 Pro new package. S65 Pro both are same, we just updated S65 Pro. Tobys is very running item. It's our very running model. We have to update our running model regarding to our market.
So well guys, let's unbox this box and let's see in the features and quality of the product. Hit it.
S65 Pro is a new modified design. One side is a fan and one side is a heat sink. Can be used for very longer.
So well guys, if you want to make order, visit their outlets, Dragon Mart branches, Tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. Stay with us. See you next video. Bye bye.
توبیس هدلایت خوبیه، جنسش خیلی خوبه، نوردهی واقعا عالی داره، زودم خراب نمیشه، نمیسوزه، جنس خوبیه. من عمده‌ای برمیدارم ازشون، خیلی وقت باهاشون کار میکنم.
تشکر دنیا.